Dah terbalik.
Of this, a devilfish.
Bandaraya memang banyak mengganggu lah. Kita pun peralatan kita nak tangkap ikan pun rosak.
Siap.
Hi everyone, I am Alya. I'm going to talk about the silent invader, how Ikan Bandaraya, or also known as a janitor fish and pliko, is killing our rivers in Malaysia. But before we dive in deeper, let me tell you what is biodiversity. Basically, biodiversity is the variety of life that keeps our ecosystem healthy. But in Malaysia, our underwater world is actually under attack by this fish. Yes. So, let me introduce you to this fish. The real name is Amazon sailfin catfish or Sakama catfish. Their scientific name is Ericoplicid paradise. Their origin is from Amazon River basin in South America, and it is actually invasive alien species. What is actually invasive alien species? These are animals that were brought from the outside of the which in this case from the Amazon River basin to our country. These fish dominate our environment because they have no natural predators here. Hence, they break the food chain for our native fish. This is directly reduce our species diversity as our local fish such as Ikan and Ikan Lampang that struggle to survive against them. According to the DOF, Department of Fisheries Malaysia, it is confirmed that the presence of this fish cause severe damage for the fishery habitats, disrupt the aquatic environment, and also threatens the freshwater biodiversity of Malaysia. How do they actually get there specifically in Malaysia? By human action. Initially, people buy them as a pet, which they believe this fish will eat all of the algae in the tank. Then later, release them into our rivers, which call as a mercy release. This causes disruptions of species ecosystem relationship. Hence, there are impacts and ecological damage from these activities. They eat the eggs of native fish, they dig into the riverbank to nest, which cause a massive erosion. So that's our local infrastructure. And FYI, this is the major biodiversity issues in Malaysia today, according to the DOF statement. To protect our biodiversity and environmental sustainability, we need realistic actions. First, never ever release your Ikan Bandaraya into our river or any of your pet fish into the public waters. If you can't keep them, just find a new home for them. DOF urge all of the parties who intend to release fish into our waterways to first contact the department for further advice and also guidance. By seeking expert consultation, we can prevent the spread of the invasive species and protect Malaysia's natural heritage. Second, support local community fishing events where you can help remove these invasive fish from our waters. We must act now to ensure our native species survive. And by protecting our native fish, we protect the balance of life in our rivers. We strive for environment. We must remember that our actions have consequences. Save our rivers, protect Malaysian biodiversity. That's all from me. Thank you.